Hi, my name is Chinmoy and I'm the founder and chief business officer at ImagineXP. A lot of people come and ask me that what is user experience design? What are the careers in user experience design? Does it make sense for me at this point in my career to switch to a user experience design career? So I thought of coming in here and explaining you what UX design is and what are the opportunities that user experience design as a career brings to you as a student or as a professional. So to start with, what is user experience design? See, I'll give you an example. I'm sure you must be using a lot of applications. You must be using a lot of digital products today. It can be a smart glass, it can be a smartphone, it can be a tablet, it can be a laptop. And day in and day out, we are interacting with multiple digital devices. And on these digital devices, we use a lot of applications, apps. It can be a tablet app, it can be a smartphone app, it can be a smartwatch app. So the experience that you go through while using these applications is called as user experience. Now I'm sure you must have witnessed it many times that you downloaded an application and when you opened the application you did not actually understand what to do. You got confused. What is that I want to do on this application? I want to do a transaction, I want to buy a cloth, I want to do whatever on the application, but I'm not able to do it. And eventually you deleted that application, and I'm sure this must have happened to all of you. What is the problem over here? The problem over here is of user experience. Today in this digital world, if the experience of the user while using that application is not good, he will delete the application. Every user is coming to an application to perform some set of tasks. It can be booking a ticket on a Book My Show, it can be buying a television on Flipkart, it can be buying groceries on a Grofers or a Big Basket. If a user is not able to perform these tasks on an application, if the experience is not good, then that user will delete that application. And this is one of the major KPI of each and every application. If a user is not able to buy a television on Flipkart, Flipkart will lose 50,000 rupees or whatever the TV price was. So that's how user experience is very important. Now coming back to the point, so the experience that you go through while using the application is called as user experience, and the people who basically design this experience are called as user experience designers. Now these applications are not designed by a developer, these are not designed by an engineer. There is a team of user experience designers who sits before the development team in all the organizations today. They go out and they do a user research, they understand the user requirements, then they create the entire application designs, and then these designs are handed over to a engineering team so that they can go out and code it. Now that's what a user experience designer does day in and day out in his life. Now why it is important? I'm sure you must have seen, right from booking a movie ticket or buying grocery or buying clothes, everything has gone online. Each and every business, maybe it is a Flipkart or a Snapdeal or a steel manufacturer or any kind of organization is now going online. When they are going online, they have to create these applications. Who are these set of people who are going to create the applications? These are the people who are user experience designers. So that's how across the industry segment, maybe it is retail, pharma, banking, insurance, or any other customer segment, any other industry segment, user experience designer is required. That's how the demand of industry is increasing. And today we have only reached to a world wherein we are using a smartwatch or a smartphone. Going ahead, there are going to be a lot of use cases for smart glasses as well. There are going to be smart refrigerators, there are going to be smart devices all around. Now who are going to design these smart devices? These are going to be the user experience designer. So I don't think so I need to prove in front of you the kind of requirements that this field have. In India, there is a requirement of more than 2 lakh user experience designers across these segments, and there are very less colleges and there are very less places wherein these people are coming out from. ImagineXP is a pioneer in training and certifying students and professionals in user experience design. We have trained more than 15,000 individuals on user experience design. Our alumni are working with the likes of Deloitte, Ernst & Young, Cognizant, Accenture, and various internet companies. If you want to join, if you want to learn user experience design, you can explore our courses. We have full-time bachelor's degree programs for students who wants to enroll in undergraduate degree. It's called Bachelor of Design in User Experience. We have full-time 2 years Master of Design course specifically for people who are professionals with some experience or who are graduates. It's a Master of Design in User Experience, again run across 30 universities in the country. And for professionals, we have a program called User Experience Jumpstarter. We call it UX Jumpstarter course, which is a 3-month course, and you can come in to our websites or you can download our My Coach applications to know more about the programs.